Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jason, Hvac Vitals. Got a product here that I just purchased. It should have been the very first thing I purchased in this HVAC industry or field. I recommend anybody before they start on the job site or before they decide they want to get interested in this field, purchase you some knee pads. These here I got off eBay, $8. It's got the gel cushion. That's another thing. It's like I never seen any other channels talk about knee pads. The good thing about these here, I can put these on and then put my pants on and just wear these all day. Get a couple sets of them, stick them in the washer. You know, get your 5 pair of these, stick them in the washer, and well, that's what, 45 bucks, 40 bucks, because I think they're $8. But yeah, you don't realize how important these things are. Down, you're working on a unit, or you're up under a house, or you're crawling. In this industry, in this field, you're gonna be on your knees fixing units. Like I said, I've watched all the YouTube channels and all that. I subscribe to all of them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And nobody never talks about knee pads at all. Knee pads. And I cannot stress how valuable these things are. I did a couple jobs without them, and when I got, out from under the house or done with those jobs, my knees were aching. Wasn't aching while I was doing it, but I could tell once I got up, it was like, oh, I felt it. So purchase you some knee pads. Walmart's got some. They're like $4 or so, but I would go ahead and check on eBay. Like I said, these are the gel kind, gel padding. That kind of back to them. You can put these under your jeans, and nobody know that you got knee pads on. And you still look, professional. But protect your knees. I cannot stress that enough. For people starting out or people getting in, if you're taking a class, HVAC class, like I am, like I did, if you're an apprentice, before you buy any tool, you buy these knee pads. Swear by them. I mean, you would thank me later. And you would be thankful that you bought these first, versus a drill, versus a tape measure, versus a fancy flashlight or anything like that. This is first and foremost. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Like I said, this channel for me is to learn, but also help out. It's also to learn the trade. Comment down below. Add your 2 cents or whatever. Don't fight, don't argue. Like I said, this channel is about the knowledge. But anyway, guys, y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all guys later.